Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by s squared plus 1. Next, we have original function and first derivative of the function. We can use about integrating factor. So we will use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we have negative 2s over s squared plus 1. This is about integrating factor. We put this one in here. The integration of this one, we will have about negative ln of s squared plus 1. So we put the negative side go inside about natural log in here. And if we simplify and we have 1 over s squared plus 1. Now, that means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one that's about 2s over s squared plus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we apply about the product rule of derivative. So we know that first derivative of y, that's about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This is about first derivative of v. Multiplied by u. So if I do this integration, we will have about y equals to uv. The integration of this one, we have y over s squared plus 1. The integration of this one in here, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1, and we put about c. Later that, we multiply both sides by s squared plus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.